Today's Omnia oven cook will feature s'mores cake. Edie's not on camera today because she doesn't feel like being on camera. So we're going to cook a s'mores cake. Recipe in the description below. If you like this kind of content, please give us a thumbs up. That's the best way to help our channel grow. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Smash the notification bell if you'd like to be notified of new videos. So, we're preheating, and now you can watch Edie cook. See you in a bit.